Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME Narzo 80 Lite to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then click on wherever you want to in all the other ones. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of REALME and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on REALME, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. OK, in this white pop-up, if you decided to transfer any apps, and got it, in here's some tip 1. Now decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. Close our ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!